Navigating the internet today is like exploring the ocean. Opportunities and things to see are endless, but suddenly you come across the Great Barrier Reef blocking your path, or that beautiful oyster you want is surrounded by fire coral. There's also predators to worry about. If you think you're being followed, you are, by all kinds of creatures, and they want what you have. That's exactly what the internet is like. Most countries block access to websites for both their own residents and travelers, and monitor your social network activity. You're constantly being tagged and followed, just bait for advertisers and marketers. When using public internet, your personal data is exposed. Well, how would you like to open up the digital oceans again and safely explore all its treasures? You can by downloading Windscribe. Windscribe is a new and innovative 2-in-1 privacy solution that allows you to experience the internet as it should be, free from prying eyes and restrictions. The first part is a virtual private network that encrypts all of your activity and provides you with a shared IP address that helps you get lost in the crowd. You can travel anywhere, browse whatever you want, use email, Skype, and download files without fear of being targeted, tracked, and identified. Most websites have the ability to track you regardless of your IP address based on information supplied by your browser. So the second tool blocks ads, beacons, and trackers, keeping you safe even after you disconnect. Contrary to popular belief, no product can give you 100% protection, but Windscribe's simple yet powerful tools will get you closer than anyone else. Get Windscribe today.